Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link a cell to a text box in Excel. This is a super handy trick for creating dynamic dashboards or reports. First, you'll insert a text box onto your worksheet. Then, with the text box selected, go to the formula bar, type an equals sign, and simply click on the cell you want to display. Pressing Enter will instantly connect them, making your text box reflect the cell's content automatically. It's a straightforward process that adds a lot of flexibility to your spreadsheets. Once linked, the text box will dynamically update whenever the linked cell's value changes. This means if your cell contains a formula, the text box will always show the current result. You can also format the text box directly, changing its font, size, and color to match your design. Remember, the text box inherits the cell's number formatting, so if you want a currency symbol or a percentage, apply that format to the source cell itself for consistent display. Beyond simple values, you can link text boxes to cells that contain complex formulas, like those calculating averages or sums across large datasets. This allows you to highlight key metrics prominently. Consider using these linked text boxes as interactive elements in dashboards, perhaps displaying a total that changes based on user selections. You can even combine several linked text boxes to create a comprehensive summary panel, offering a clear overview of your data. If your link isn't working, first ensure you've selected the text box before typing the equals sign in the formula bar. Double-check that your cell reference is accurate. A typo can easily break the connection. For best practices, try to avoid linking text boxes to merged cells, as this can sometimes lead to unexpected behavior or broken links. Also, consider naming your source cells for easier management, especially in larger, more complex workbooks. This makes your links more robust and easier to maintain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.